Have you ever wondered what professional affiliate marketing looks like? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of a professional affiliate marketing primer? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using professional affiliate marketing primer? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about professional affiliate marketing primer. Now let's get into it. If you're new to the professional affiliate marketing internet business playground, then you're no doubt wondering what affiliate marketing is all about. In simplest terms, it is marketing and promoting some other company's products/services on the internet. You, as the marketer and source of that business, are then paid a commission for your work. The whole business arrangement is essentially revenue sharing. In most cases, the affiliate marketer drums up that business through various forms of legitimate advertising techniques on a wide variety of online avenues and platforms. Note that generally, the affiliate merchant does not pay anything for the marketing and promotion until a sale has actually occurred. This way, the merchant can minimize both risk and expenditures. Theoretically, the affiliate can then be rewarded more handsomely for taking on that marketing risk and expenditure. However, since the affiliate marketer does not need to take on the risk, investment, and expenditure of developing and supporting a product/service and administering a sale, the relationship is very much considered a win-win arrangement, with each party focusing on the part of the business they are good at and interested in. Tracking, calculating, and paying affiliate income. How the affiliate marketer essentially gets paid for his work depends entirely on the affiliate merchant. This is really the only way the merchant can properly identify, credit, and compensate the right affiliate for any business generated. In some cases, an affiliate merchant uses the resources of a much larger affiliate network service, such as Commission Junction, Link Share, etc., to administer its affiliate program. Some other merchants, on the other hand, choose to run their own in-house affiliate system, keeping their program independent from everybody else's. In practically all cases, however, the basics of how an affiliate program tracks and calculates affiliate commissions follow what has been outlined above. The merchant generally specifies the financial terms beforehand, pay periods, minimum payment thresholds, when money is paid and how, etc., whether it uses the services of a third-party service or runs its own affiliate program in-house. How an affiliate is ultimately paid will depend on these predetermined specifics, and they can run the gamut from being paid online through services like PayPal, having funds wired directly to an affiliate's bank account, to having a physical check printed and mailed directly to the affiliate. On top of that, affiliate programs that run on third-party network services offer an extra layer of protection and trust to the affiliate, with the networks helping ensure that all transactions are properly tracked, calculated, and compensated. Affiliate program selection. You, as a professional affiliate marketer, are free to choose whatever affiliate program you wish to join and market. In other words, you essentially choose which products and/or services you'll be promoting through your blog, website, e-zine, advertisements, etc. It is not a light decision, since your income is very much affected by how well you match your total offer to your audience or market. That, however, is essentially your job and is part of what you as the professional affiliate marketer are compensated richly for. Some professional affiliate marketers, for example, choose programs based on commission size, high payouts per sale, or market size. These are business decisions you have to make, again, part of what you're getting paid for. Here are some suggestions for beginners, however, that may help you get started. Choose products/services you are personally interested in. If you are interested in gardening or golf, for example, then focus on products/services specifically for those markets. The plain simple truth of it is that it is much harder to promote a product or service that you really couldn't care less about. Choose products/services that do not embarrass you and that you are comfortable having your friends and family associate with you. For example, even though it's quite lucrative, some professional affiliate marketers are unable to promote dating sites and services for reasons of embarrassment and discomfort. Choose products/services you are already familiar with and fully understand. Even if you are not all that interested in automobiles or travel, for instance, you may already know more than enough about the products and services in those particular markets that you can actually sell in those market niches. Select affiliate programs that provide you with the best sales support. This only comes up from prior research, of course, but it's something you must do anyway. The sales support referred to here are things like training, advertising material, resources, extensive product information, etc. Obviously, the more tools they give you to sell with, the better your chances. Remember, being a professional affiliate marketer means that you are in business. Your business. Your success is ultimately determined by your decisions and actions. Good luck. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about professional affiliate marketing primer. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.